So today we're going to be talking about Starlight in our lesson and our song. How many of you have looked up at the sky and saw how many hundreds of beautiful stars, or maybe the moon, or maybe a beautiful cloud with a little lightning in it far off in the distance? Yeah, well, that's what our song is about. Not about clouds, but just about starlight. Today, kids, we will identify and tap quarter notes and beamed eighth notes in a song. I will draw a quarter note and 2 eighth notes in my journal. At the end of this lesson, I'm going to ask you to do that. Our essential question that we're going to answer today is, how many beats does a quarter note get? How many beats do 2 beamed eighth notes get? Right, Skittles? We're going to know by the end of this lesson. So today we're going to look at 2 notes. We have the quarter note, which looks like this, and we have the eighth note, which can look like this for 1, which is only half a beat. And when you put half and half together, then that's going to equal 1 beat. Let's look at this a different way. If we were looking at our quarter note here, we could compare a quarter note to a whole pizza, which I'm very fond of pizza. If we had 2 beamed eighth notes, then we're going to take that same pizza, but now we have to cut it in half. So 1/2 is 1 eighth note, and the other half of the pizza is the other half of the eighth note group. So we still have 1 whole pizza, but we've just cut it down the middle. What do you think, Skittles? On our chart here, we can look at the same thing. We have our quarter note that looks like this. It's filled in, and it's 1 beat. So we give it 1 clap. Here we have our eighth note. By itself, he doesn't have a friend, so his little arm hangs down. Over here, and he's only 1, is only half a beat. Over here, he has a friend, so his arm is up. 2 equals 1 here. So here's our words to our song. We have starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Can you say that with me? Let's read it all together. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Good job. So the first thing we're going to try to figure out is how many claps do we get per word, just like we did in class. So we have star, star. How many claps is that? Star. 1 clap. Let's go on. Light. So now we have star, light. How about this one? Star. Is it the same or different? Star. And then we have bright. So far, we have one clap per word. So that's gonna look like this. The quarter note. So we have starlight, starbright. Can you try that with me? Starlight, starbright. Great job. So we have our first line finished. Let's try our second line. Wish I. Is it two words or one word? Wish I. Oh, I gave it away. Wish I may. Can you try that with me? Wish I may. What do you think this next one is like? Do you think it might be the same as this one before it? We have wish I may. Our next words are wish I might. Wish I might. Let's try it one more time. Wish I might. What do you think those notes are going to be? You're right. It's exactly the same. So we have wish I may, wish I might. So we have our next line we're working with. Have the. Is it a quarter note or two beamed eighth notes? Have the. Well, if you guessed, have the, wish I, wish to. These are all eighth notes. Let's try it together. Ready? And have the, wish I, wish to. What do you think night is going to be? Can you guess? Hint? Night. You're right. It was a quarter note. Good job. Let's try the whole song. Now remember, on these beamed eighth notes, we're going to tap our head. On the quarter notes, we're going to clap our hands. So don't forget. We're going to start here. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Very good, kids. Let's try it again. Just if anybody had any trouble, let's try it again. Okay, starting here. Ready, go. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Great job. Okay, so we only have two solfege hand symbols in this song today. So we have our so, which is just flat, and we have our mi. And you can tell the so is higher than the mi. So if we were gonna do it in the song, so this would be so, so, mi, so, mi. Try it with me. So, mi. We're going to include the hand signs in our song. So I will walk you through them. Don't feel stressed out. And it's not going to be as hard as you might think. It looks complicated. It's not. So we're having, and you can even tell if it's a higher pitch or a lower pitch by where the hand sign is. So our green ones are the higher pitches, and the blue ones are our lower pitches. And when they stretch over two words, that means both words are the same pitch. So, or you guys, maybe you want to sing lower, you want to go so, that's fine too. So, mi, so, mi. Try that with me. So, mi, so, mi. Okay, good. Not too hard, is it? We're going to start from here. Listen. So, mi, mi, so, mi. Now you sing. So, mi, so, mi. Try that whole line. Just follow your eyes with these hand signs. Ready, go. So, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi. Not so hard, was it? Right, Skittles? He likes it. Let's try the next part. Wish I may. So, mi. So notice both of these words are so. Going on to the next one. So, mi. Again, wish I is both so. Let's put those two together. Listen. So, mi. So, mi. Now you try. So, mi. So, mi. Not that hard. And the last, we have da is on a so. We have wish I is on me. Wish to is on so. And the last word is night, which is on me. Ready, go. So, mi, so, mi. Now you try. So, mi, so, mi. Now let's put this whole thing together. Ready, go. So, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, mi. Great job. Can we put the entire song together? Ready, go. So, mi, 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 so, mi. Great job. Let's try it all together now. Remember, we get one clap for the quarter note, and we get 2 taps for the 2 beamed eighth notes. Ready, go. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. And if you get a little confused, it's okay. Just rewind and try it one more time. Okay, kids, so let's sum up. We have our lyrics or words. We practiced the rhythm. We practiced the melody. We learned today so and me. Now let's have some fun. Let's sing and find out what this song means. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I pretty. So now let's try to sing it all together. Now this song is a great song to sing at dusk when the stars are coming out. And you look up into the sky and you sing it, and then you find the first star and you make a wish on it. You point at it, you sing the song, and you make a wish. And your wish will come true. It's supposed to. Okay? So remember that. Let's sing. Ready, go. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have a wish I wish tonight. And then make a wish. I challenge you to find a star tonight, sing the song, and make a wish this evening. So today we identified, past tense, and tapped quarter and beamed eighth notes in a song. We answered the essential question, how many beats does a quarter note get? A quarter note gets, right, 1 beat. How many beats do 2 beamed eighth notes get? 1 beat, right? Because it's the whole pizza, it's 1 beat, and just cut in half. And I hope you're going to draw a quarter note and draw a beamed eighth note in your journal. Thank you for joining me today, students. I know Skittles and I had a great time with you today. And don't forget my challenge. Go outside this evening when the stars first come out. Sing the song and make a wish. And then let's see if your wish comes true. I hope with all my heart that it does. For now, have a good day.